Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Jux254. If you are new here to my channel, please subscribe, watch and leave a sweet comment below. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending wherever you are. But here in Kenya, it's 5 p.m. evening. As you can see, the light that is shining at the bananas. It's evening. I'm coming from work and I have come from Kisii. Now I'm at home at Nyabohanse village. That's the popular name that's known mostly in countrywide with people in diaspora. I'm back home for some small issues that I come to do, like 1-2, and I will be back there. So this video I'm shooting from home. I'm at home. This is our small place that we have planted bananas. We have some avocado trees there. We have some sugarcane here and bananas, you can see there. So this video comes from my home, but here I'm at the shamba. This is our shamba. This is how it looks from up there. And I'm doing a surveying because I have stayed in Kisii for a while. So I'm coming to see the way our plants are going. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I go by the name Jux254. Subscribe, share and leave a sweet comment below, and I will appreciate for my returning subscriber. I do not take for granted. Thank you for supporting me and continue supporting me. Your boy here, Jux254. I'm here. I'll show you our small scale of some plants here. From that end all over, we have even a cassava. We have a cassava here, but it's small than mostly things that we have here. A lot is banana. As you can see, this is avocado tree, and this, I don't know the name of this. I don't know the name of these, guys. And small, even passion tree. This is the passion tree. I don't know the name of this, but if you know it, tell me in comment section the name of this fruit. So I'm here. I thank God for giving us a good health, doing videos like this, interacting with people. It was not easy. Most of people were wanting to see the day like today, but they did not. That's the rustling of leaves when I step on them. This is the look. All of that is bananas. If you come to visit me, you'll eat bananas most, because banana are more here, and fruit is so good to our health. So you must maintain fruits so that you can have a good health and smooth skin. Fruits are so important in our body. What else I will show you? We have and some small vegetable. We have a vegetable here. The me show you. These are vegetables. These are sukuma, and these, let me show you, beans. And this is beans, and this is cassava, guys. This is a cassava. So if you can see, we have small things and other ones. Don't know the name of this English name, but I know in our language. If you know it in a English name, please tell us in comment section below. Yeah, this is the new look. Those are our neighbors there, and we have harvested maize here, because January in Kenya, place in Nyabohanse here, January is the season that we harvest maize, like this season. This is the banana. Let me show you. This is the banana, guys. I'm telling you, if you come to visit us, you must eat bananas, avocados, and other things. This is the new look of our small garden at our home. That's the sun set that is almost to set down. That's how it looks. And we have harvested a maize. Let me show you. This is the shamba of home. That's how it looks. And that's the sugar cane. Other things that we have, it's pawpaw, but it's getting dry, because it's not getting dry, it has getting old, because it has stayed for, I think, 4 years here. Now I think it's getting old. It does not produce the big pawpaw like before. Now it's producing small ones, because when it's getting old, it produces smaller ones. It cannot produce bigger than before. That's the thing that have a study in this pawpaw. Let me show you up the way it. You see the way it looks like. This is how it looks like, because it has already getting old. So guys, continue watching my YouTube channel, and subscribe and reload to 1000 subscribers. Support your boy here, Jux254. That you can find me I only use that name in YouTube, but in other sites I use Jux, but in different names. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a sweet comment below, and leave a sweet comment below, and support your boy here. And my returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing, and I appreciate for your subscription, guys. So let me go to the town for doing at least a small shopping for dinner, and I will be back. So guys, thank you. Thank you, thank you.